Naharang kami guys.
Hello guys!
Naharang kami guys.
So for today's video na! So na-paranoid na ako guys!
Check your glove box and see if he's got a...
Honey, open this
If
up.
it's got the...
Ay napasubra yung excited yung kasama ko guys. Yun guys, hindi marunong mag-overthink muna guys. Hindi muna nag-overthink kung pwede ba dadalhin yung sasakyan pa uwi na. Naudlot yung excited namin guys.
Get to the house and y'all be alright.
Hinabol kami ng mga pulis guys. 3 sasakyan guys. Sinong hindi maparanoid yan guys? Ha? Nginginig kahit tinggil ko guys. Mag-rewind muna ako guys. Dito kami sa processing guys. Inaalam namin yung karapatan namin sa buhay-buhay ng sasakyan guys.
And then now it's gonna go.
If you don't mind, will you pull right up here in the front, right up on the...
Sabi niya lang guys, ipo-pull lang namin brother. Pero dinadrive na ng asawa ko guys. Inauwi niya na guys. Sobrang excited guys. No yun guys, naudlot guys.
This is so cool.
You sure you have you sure you have money?
My hands around your neck. I wanna be